Hello and welcome to the capture test for Smash Bros. 29. This is an example of how I have my video game capture set up on my new computer, and I'm using the Blackmagic Intensity Pro capture card to get the footage from the Xbox at 720p, 59.94 frames per second. I've got the analog audio from the Xbox going straight into my Behringer 802 mixer, and it's just an 8-channel mixer, so I've got, you know, 2 XLR microphone inputs and 6 channels otherwise of analog inputs and outputs. From the mixer, the analog audio is going straight into the analog audio in of the Blackmagic Intensity Pro, and so the commentary is already, you know, coming into the Intensity Pro in the same analog audio channel, so you don't have to worry about dubbing afterwards, and you can do your commentary in real time. Yeah, as you can see, it's working just fine. The next part of the video I'm going to do is just a quick, very quick, because I've got to get back to work, video of just what everything looks like on my current setup. I'll do a more detailed one later on, but yeah, that's about it for now. And as you can see, I don't really have anything much exciting to do here. Just showing you a demo of my setup here. Alright, see you next time. Alright, here is just a very quick walkthrough of my hardware. On my mixer here, here's my microphone input, channel 1, and that's coming directly from my Shure SM58 microphone. It's got the XLR input, which looks a little different than your standard input. It's got that 3-prong head, and that just goes right into the back of the mic. This channel here is my PS3 game volume, and I can manage that with this knob here. This is my Xbox game volume, and I've got it piggybacked with some of these piggyback connectors, and this is coming directly from the analog adapter of the Xbox audio. I'll show you over here. You can pick these up at GameStop or whatever, but it's just the standard, you know, lighting. I don't know if you can see it. It's just the standard output, audio output thing for the Xbox. I've got a very cheap, and I got this for free, HDMI splitter that just splits my Xbox output into my Blackmagic of my computer, and then into the TV. This is the main out of the mixer. This connector here, or these two RCA audio adapters there, and you'll see I'm using these adapters here, and these are 1/4 inch to RCA adapters. So you can pick these up at mono price. They're very cheap. They're like 20 cents each. Make sure you get the mono ones, because you're doing one channel. If you do the stereo ones, it's not going to work. You have to get the mono ones. You can tell that they're the mono ones if you look at them. They're going to have a single black line. So make sure you get those. Very important. You know, you're going to need about 6 of those. This is my component amp for my PS3 gameplay. Basically, PS3 input comes in over here on the main, and then it just distributes it across the whole board. So all these are outputs. These are all outputs. This is outputting directly to the Blackmagic. This is outputting directly to the TV. Yeah, I think that's all the time that I have for today. And once I have a little more time, I'll do a more in-depth walkthrough of how of some more intricate stuff if you want. So that's it for now. Thanks. Bye.